Do your legs feel heavier than they used to? Does getting out of a chair or lifting a grocery bag feel harder than it should? It's not your fault, and you're not alone. What if I told you that certain everyday fruits could quietly help restore your strength, reduce soreness, and support your independence, all without stepping into a gym? Some days, it feels like your body just doesn't cooperate the way it used to. Climbing stairs takes more effort, lifting even light things makes you tired, and getting up from your favorite chair seems like a chore. You haven't changed, but something deep inside you has. That something has a name: sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass that comes with age. But here's what most people never hear: sarcopenia speeds up when your body doesn't get the right nutrients and support. And the solution isn't complicated. You don't need protein powders, supplements, or strict workout plans. In fact, some of the best protection against muscle loss is sitting right in your kitchen. Yes, in your fruit basket. Everyday fruits, natural, delicious, and full of healing compounds, can gently strengthen your muscles, improve balance, and keep you mobile well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. In this video, I'll introduce you to 5 powerful fruits that science and real-life stories have shown to boost strength, reduce inflammation, and fuel recovery naturally. And the fruit at number 1 might just surprise you. Let's begin with number 5, banana, the everyday strength keeper. Bananas are so common, we often forget how powerful they are, especially for aging muscles. But this soft, familiar fruit is one of nature's most supportive tools for seniors. As we age, muscles become more vulnerable to imbalances like low potassium, slower recovery, and silent inflammation. Bananas help with all 3. They're rich in potassium, which your muscles need to contract and relax properly. Low potassium can cause heavy legs, shaky balance, and those frustrating nighttime cramps. A medium banana gives you about 400 milligrams of potassium, just enough to help your muscles work more smoothly. They also contain vitamin B6, essential for breaking down protein so your muscles can actually use the food you eat. Worried about sugar? If you choose bananas that are just yellow or slightly green, not overripe, and eat them with a handful of nuts or a spoon of nut butter, their sugar is absorbed slowly and won't spike your blood sugar. A 71-year-old woman told me she started having half a banana with almonds before her daily walk. I didn't change anything else, she said, but I stopped feeling drained halfway through. Bananas are also great for your gut. Their natural fiber helps digestion, and resistant starch in less ripe bananas feeds your good gut bacteria, helping you absorb nutrients better. Try this: slice half a banana into your oats, blend one into a smoothie with soy milk, or enjoy it as a quick afternoon snack. Make it a habit, and over time, you'll feel stronger, more balanced, and more energized. Question for you: do you eat bananas daily? Tell us in the comments below. We'd love to hear how they work for you. Also, if you're watching your blood sugar levels, talk to your doctor about portion sizes. But even half a banana a day can give your body the potassium boost it needs. Why seniors should eat bananas? ##. Bananas are one of nature's most perfect foods, packed with essential nutrients, easy to digest, and incredibly versatile. For seniors in the USA, incorporating bananas into their daily diet can provide numerous health benefits, from improving heart health to boosting digestion and energy levels. In this detailed guide, we'll explore why seniors should make bananas a staple in their diet, the science-backed benefits, and how to enjoy them in delicious ways, without any gimmicks or false promises. ##1. Nutritional powerhouse: what's inside a banana? ****. Bananas are rich in vital nutrients that support overall health, especially for older adults. Here's what a medium-sized banana, about 118 grams, contains. Potassium, 422 milligrams, supports heart health and muscle function. Vitamin B6, 0.4 milligrams, aids brain health and reduces inflammation. Vitamin C, 10.3 milligrams, boosts immunity and skin health. Fiber, 3.1 g, promotes digestion and gut health. Magnesium, 32 milligrams, helps with bone strength and nerve function. Natural sugars, 14.4 g, provides quick, sustained energy. Unlike processed snacks, bananas offer a perfect balance of nutrients without added sugars or unhealthy fats. ##2. Top health benefits of bananas for seniors ***. It supports heart health. High blood pressure is a major concern for seniors. Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. Studies show that a potassium-rich diet can reduce the risk of stroke by up to 24%. Aids digestion and gut health. As we age, digestive issues like constipation become more common. Bananas contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which help promote regular bowel movements, support healthy gut bacteria, prevent bloating and discomfort. Boosts energy and muscle function. Seniors often experience fatigue and muscle weakness. Bananas provide natural sugars, glucose, fructose, and sucrose, for quick energy, along with magnesium to prevent muscle cramps. Number 4. Blueberries, tiny berries, big power. Don't let their size fool you. Blueberries are muscle protectors in disguise. Strength, mobility, and balance. A 74-year-old man recovering from a hip injury shared, "I started adding blueberries to my breakfast. After 2 weeks, I could walk farther without feeling that deep soreness. My legs feel like they're working with me again." Blueberries also support blood sugar balance and insulin sensitivity, meaning your muscles can better absorb protein and carbs after meals. They're low in sugar and easy to enjoy. Add a handful to oatmeal, yogurt, or a smoothie. Some people freeze them for a refreshing, bite-sized snack. Most importantly, blueberries don't just reduce damage, they support healing. After a walk, light gardening, or stretching, they help your muscles recover faster and stronger. Number 3. Papaya, the gentle healer. Papaya is sweet, soft, and easy to digest, but don't let its calm nature fool you. This tropical fruit is a digestive and muscle health superstar, especially for seniors. As we age, digestion slows down. Even if you eat enough protein, your body may struggle to break it down and absorb amino acids, the building blocks of muscle. That's where papaya shines. It contains papain, a natural enzyme that helps break down protein so your body can use it more efficiently. It's rich in vitamin C, essential for making collagen, which keeps muscles, joints, and tendons strong. In fact, papaya has more vitamin C than oranges. It's also full of beta-carotene and lycopene, antioxidants that reduce inflammation and support healing. A woman named Anita, age 69, told me, "I never thought much about papaya. But after eating a small bowl daily, my digestion improved and I wasn't as stiff getting up. It just made my body work better." Papaya is low in sugar, high in water, and gentle on the stomach, perfect as a snack or breakfast side. Add it to a smoothie or enjoy it with a few slices of fresh ginger for extra digestion support. 2. Guava, the hidden hero. You might not hear much about guava, but it's one of the most powerful fruits for muscle support, especially because of its incredible vitamin C content. Guava has 4 to 5 times more vitamin C than an orange, and vitamin C is critical for collagen production and muscle repair. It also helps fight oxidative stress, which damages muscle cells and speeds up muscle loss. Guava also contains potassium for muscle function, fiber for digestion and blood sugar balance. A 72-year-old man named Ravi shared, "After my morning walk, I'd slice a guava with salt and chili like I used to in my youth. My knees felt less stiff, and I noticed better balance within weeks." It's great for people with diabetes too low on the glycemic index, but rich in nutrients. Eat it raw with the peel on, that's where many nutrients live. Add it to fruit salads, or sip on unsweetened guava juice in moderation. Number 1. Dates, the sweet muscle booster. Small, wrinkled, and naturally sweet dates are often misunderstood. But for seniors, they're a secret weapon for energy, strength, and recovery. Dates are full of natural sugars, but also fiber, which slows sugar absorption and prevents blood sugar spikes. They provide potassium and magnesium, which help with muscle contractions and reduce cramps. They're rich in antioxidants, especially flavonoids, which fight inflammation and protect muscle cells. A 70-year-old gentleman told me he started eating 2 dates with some almonds after his morning walk. "It gives me energy, and my knees don't ache as much. It's not magic, it just works," he said. Dates are also soft, easy to chew, and need no prep, perfect for those who want simple, nutritious foods. Tip: Have 2 to 3 dates with some protein like cheese or nuts. It's a delicious, balanced snack that fuels muscles and prevents fatigue. Conclusion: the power of simplicity. So there you have it, 5 everyday fruits that support your strength, mobility, and well-being. They aren't pills. They aren't fancy superfoods. They're simple gifts from nature that help your body do what it's meant to do: move, heal, and thrive. You don't have to overhaul your diet or give up the foods you love. Just start small. Add a banana to breakfast. A handful of blueberries to your smoothie. A bowl of papaya after lunch. A slice of guava in the morning. A couple of dates as an afternoon snack. Over time, these small steps will quietly build your strength, support your balance, and help you live with more energy and confidence. Because staying strong after 60 doesn't take a miracle, just a few mindful bites a day. 1. Scientific backing for each fruit. Cite studies or expert insights that reinforce why each fruit helps muscle health. Explain how nutrients interact within the body to aid recovery and strength. 2. Personal stories and testimonials. Share relatable anecdotes from seniors who improved their mobility using these fruits. Include experiences that highlight real-world transformations. 3. Additional ways to incorporate these fruits. Provide simple, practical meal ideas and combinations. Suggest snack variations that suit different dietary needs. 4. Common mistakes and myths. Address misconceptions like bananas are bad for sugar control or fruit doesn't help muscles. Explain what to avoid when consuming these fruits. 5. How diet impacts muscle loss over time. Show how poor nutrition accelerates muscle decline. Contrast what happens when people integrate these fruits into their daily routine. 6. Psychological and emotional benefits. Explain how maintaining strength boosts confidence and independence. Highlight the link between diet and mental wellness. 7. Additional tips for seniors. Simple movement practices to complement fruit intake. Hydration and food pairing recommendations to maximize benefits. 8. Reinforce why consistency matters in long-term health. Your health and happiness matter every single day. That's why we share new videos to help you live better, longer, and stronger. So if you want to stay informed, inspired, and in control of your well-being, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's just one click, but it could make a big difference in your life. Berries, tiny but mighty. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants. They reduce muscle inflammation and boost cell repair. Perfect for your breakfast bowl or smoothie. Oranges, vitamin C powerhouse. Vitamin C isn't just for immunity. It helps your body produce collagen, which supports muscle and joint health. Sip on some fresh orange juice or snack on slices after meals. Avocados, healthy fats for strength. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and magnesium, which support muscle recovery. Add them to your salad or spread on toast for a strength-boosting meal. Apples, fiber and flavonoids combo. Apples are high in fiber and contain quercetin, a compound that helps maintain muscle mass. Crunch on one daily to stay full, energized, and strong. Food number 1, coconut water, nature's electrolyte drink. Now, here's the food most people don't expect, and it's not a solid food at all. It's coconut water. Why coconut water? Because it's one of the most naturally hydrating drinks on earth, and it contains the perfect balance of electrolytes, potassium, magnesium, calcium, and sodium that your muscles crave. If you've ever felt your legs cramp after walking, gardening, or just sitting for a long time, a glass of coconut water may help stop that from happening again. Let's talk. Have you ever tried coconut water before? Drop a yes or a no in the comments. And if you have a favorite brand, share it. Best time to drink it? After light exercise, during hot days, or with lunch. Just make sure to choose brands without added sugar. Look for 100% natural coconut water on the label. Bonus section, water and hydration tips. Now that we've covered the top 3 cramp-fighting foods, let's not forget the most important factor of all: water. Dehydration is the silent culprit behind many leg cramps. And as we get older, our sense of thirst weakens, meaning we may not drink enough even when our body needs it badly. Asterisk, here are a few tips to stay hydrated. Start your day with a glass of water. Keep a bottle near your favorite chair or bed. Sip regularly, even if you're not thirsty. Flavor your water with lemon or cucumber if plain water feels boring. Asterisk. Aim for at least 6 to 8 cups a day. If you're taking diuretics or spending time in the sun, you might need more. Foods that make cramps worse, what to avoid. Now you know what to eat, but let's also talk about what to avoid. Asterisk, some foods actually trigger more leg cramps. Here are the top offenders. Too much caffeine, it can dehydrate your body. Alcohol, it depletes key electrolytes. Salty processed snacks, they throw off your body's fluid balance. Sugary sodas, these contain phosphorus, which competes with calcium and weakens your bones and muscles. Asterisk. Cutting back on these and replacing them with the foods we've discussed can truly transform your leg health. Tips for daily leg strength plus gentle exercises. While food is essential, let's not forget movement. Strong legs aren't just about nutrition, they also need activity. Asterisk, here are 3 simple exercises you can do daily. Seated toe raises, strengthen your calves. 2. Heel-to-toe walking, improves balance. 3. Gentle leg stretches, prevent tightness. Asterisk. Pair these with your improved diet, and you'll see real results: fewer cramps, better balance, and stronger legs. Real-life testimonials and encouragement. Asterisk, here's what some of our viewers have said in the past. I started drinking coconut water every day and my nighttime cramps are almost gone. Bananas and spinach are now part of my daily routine, thank you. These small changes made a big difference in my comfort and sleep. Asterisk. Your journey is important, and your experience matters, so please leave a comment below and tell us what's worked for you. Asterisk, so, let's quickly recap the top 3 foods to prevent leg cramps and strengthen your legs. 1. Bananas, rich in potassium to support muscle function. 2. Spinach, a magnesium powerhouse that helps muscles relax. 3. Coconut water, nature's electrolyte drink to keep you hydrated and balanced. Asterisk. And don't forget the bonus tips: drink plenty of water, avoid foods that trigger cramps, and move a little every day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, it really helps more seniors find this important information. We'd love to hear from you, leave a comment sharing your favorite leg-friendly food or what helped stop your cramps. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next video, where we'll talk about the best exercises to strengthen your knees after 60, don't miss it. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and keep those legs moving. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Enjoy your life.